Takeoff flaps.
Alright. Ready?
Sure.
Timer cleared.
Take it off.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Yeah, I'm turning right.
I'll follow you, don't worry. Now, when we're turning, I'll always be on the outside.
Sounds good. Alright, let's go and let's pull up and do a S-turn.
Okay, go. Whatever you do, I'll follow you, don't worry. You get closer.
Are you gonna play the F-14 again?
Yeah.
Alright.
You took off, so I gotta catch up to you.
Wait for me.
I'm gonna roll right.
Okay, well, just do your thing. I'll always stay on you, don't worry. Just try to make everything really smooth and I'll for sure stay on you.
Time remaining.
That thing's
2
fast.
minutes.
Alright, so let me...
Don't break gallons like that.
You're good.
No, there was a mosquito in my ear.
Oh, don't do that.
I was gonna do a split S, then I went straight. The sun was
Oh yeah, don't do it right there. I've made the mistake of doing that.
Yeah, I know. I've done that.
And I'm like,
I've
go!
almost wanted so many points to do that. I love that.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
Already?
Yeah, remember I have old batteries.
Oh, that's right, you got the old batteries. Alright, let me know when you're down. I'm going to do a crazy fast pass over you as you're coming in.
Alright, I'm turning final right now.
So I'm going to hang out until you're down and then blast over you full throttle.
Seconds.
Alright.
That was kind of scary. You were coming at me for a second.
That's
right?
the whole point.
I saw the light flash.
That's the whole point. Take him out on the ground.
9.
Take it out.
7.
Yeah, I'm down.
6. 5. 4. 3.
How much fun did you get on that guy?
1.
I got a 5,000, so I could go for a little bit more.
We just did. I gotta try with that.
Wait, do you have another one?
No, I just got one.
How many batteries do you have for that plane?
A lot.
Alright.
I don't know if I can fly this thing that slow though.
Gear
I can
down.
try. I'll fly it again.
Well,
Landing flaps.
Probably gonna fly something else first, but I'll fly it again.
Flaps up.
Alright.
You have speed brakes on this guy?
No.
I've seen you on YouTube with this.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. On the Spring Fun Fly.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Huh?
That was a while ago, though.
You got it, you got it, you got it. Just don't hit my nuts. They're very precious to me. To all men.
All right, well, that was good. I don't know yet.
Do you have batteries for the Royal?
I think I might.